Hello everyone, come back. Welcome back to Sentinel Shield, the YouTube channel. We are going to discuss about the Sentinel Shield firewall today. So, what we are going to do today is in the future, AI is the thing, and humans literally now they have AI in their hands. Code, music, security, even what you want to do next is going to be coded by your system. That's super unnatural what I have to do. So coming back to security, the firewall which we are using for systems, I would like to change some things for that. How about a system which is going to validate you as according to your behavior? As taking an example for your home is a system and you are a user of your home, and you come back to home and your mother is going to validate according to your voice, according to your behavior. You come to home, uh, closing your door very loudly, opening, going straight to your TV, or and your mother in the kitchen just recognizes you and just feels that, oh, he's back to home, the idiot of the home is back to home. That's what it is. The system is going to recognize you according to your how you're going to behavior. So talking to about behavior, today I'm gonna show you how behavioral matrix, command panel, decoy login, OTP fallback, authentication user, authentication matrix, why I used all these things in a firewall, why AI model is used in this thing, and I'm talking against the AI. That's a funny thing. Okay, I have given an example of home and your behavior. As the same way, here we're going to take your mouse movements and your typing speed, the typing patterns which you are going to use as normal time. For that, what I give you is, you can say that a person will make change if they mood, and if the person having some problem with their hands moving them, having vibration, and the persons get older, they get more disabilities to move their hands. They don't just have much strength to move according to the small single points. And so that's the question what I got while building it, and that for that I have a solution for that. When you're going to give input, when you're going to say that, hey system, that's me, and recognize me as me, so I'm give you four inputs. The module will take four inputs and it will randomly takes every single pattern of the input which you are given. For that, I will give you, or if you are going to give input on the Sunday morning 9 o'clock, the second input timing will be after 2 hours. That means 11 o'clock. And the third one will after 2 hours. The same thing follows for the fourth attempt also. So for that, what happens now? Module will take the input every single time of your mood change, anger issues, or anything. If you're dull, okay, you don't know, you don't want to do anything, just I'm here for some time pass. You're going to do some chit chat, LinkedIn, you're going to do anything like Instagram, YouTube. Okay, that's your user intentions. So for that, the module going to trace every single point of the four attempts, and it will validate the user only for 70%. If you match 70% of the original input, you're allowed to the system. That's what this system is made for. This is the main reason for this firewall is AI. Okay, we are going to demonstrate now. Let's go to train behavior profile. Okay, let's run it. Okay, run Python file terminal. Okay, you can see here the terminal has taken the whole code of the train behavior profile. So it's actually working. The file train behavior profile issue is to take input, actually it doesn't take input. It's a model of AI where it will session dates. You can watch it. It will take the patterns and the speed of typing, and we'll go to the behavior biometrics. There we go. Okay, run Python. So the behavior biometrics will be activating your inputs and validating your patterns. So we have authentication user. So the purpose of Sentinel Shield is something else. I'm going to show you while executing it. Okay, let's go to next aspect. What's next? So authentication user is like more than the traditional passwords or traditional what we are using the authentication process. It's not like that. This firewall is something else, which I am going to show you in the output process. So authentication matrix is like a maze. You're going to choose which way according to your perspective. The owner, only original user will only know the end gate of the maze. Yeah. So we'll go to decoy login. If decoy login, the name it will itself say that that's a mystery. Okay, we're going to essential behavior authentication pipe, then Python. So here we have syntax error. Okay, that's not gonna worry about that. Okay, we have command panel now. We are going to give the input now. Okay, let's start authentication. This is the page giving input. So okay, authenticate by typing behavior. Start authentication, and yeah, here we have to type silent guards watch unknown threats. Okay, here while you're going to give input, you have to type as it is what the system says you to input. So I'm going to type okay, full stop. If you miss a full stop, that's the system not going to take. Oh, something went wrong. Behavior profile not found. Wait. 1 minute. So we just came straight to the command biometrics. Sorry for that. Here, Sentinel Shield, the main file here. So here we can see that the whole other files, other code systems I have imported: decoy login, authentication matrix, behavior profile, authentication user, behavior matrix, and OTP fallback. Oh, I want to say about this thing. Why if you're away from the system, if you are at the office and you forgot your system at the home, like you forgot your laptop, and you want that particular file which you have stored it in local, and your spouse, your wife, your children, who knows very well about the system, wants to get into laptop. Now there is no traditional way to get into the laptop. Now you have implemented this firewall. So for that, I have given you OTP fallback, where you are going to say the system that I'm not the real user. I just need a time to give some files or take some files. So I need some time for that. So this is the OTP fallback. We're going to run it. So OTP fallback is running right now. So now, yeah, here I can see that sender pass hello Mava and my Gmail account, and sender email. So that's a bot mail, and it's not working. Actually, it's a ugly prototype. I'm not gonna say that it's purely working or implementable stage. It's just a prototype where you can just have a look about it. And we go for next is execution. Wait. So yeah, we're all good to go. So all the other files are already running. I have imported. Let's run it, and there you go. Here, this is the entry of decoy authentication system of Sentinel Shield, the firewall. Okay, the system is asking now, please enter your password. I'm going to type Mava, MAWA, Mava. Let's enter. Oh, wrong move, trap triggered. This is the secret of decoy. You're dealing with a maze, you're dealing with a mirror. If you If you lose any one single step, you're going to fall. Okay, let's go. So we're going again. Okay. So what we have to do here is welcome back Mawa. That's the name I just gave it as a prototype. So you have to click 2 times on the double click verified processing to the authentication matrix. The next step of the decoy authentication. Here we have authentication matrix verify your soul. The real user knows where the tail in these tails, which button should I have to press in those tails. Let me show you where it is. Authentication matrix. Can you observe here? Behavioral trials. Behavior tiles. If you are going through behavior, you want you're the real user, you are going to give it for that and OTP tiles, and that's going to happen. So here the authentication matrix starts with 0 and 0. So first row 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 8 into 8 16. So 8 into 8 matrix this is, and here go that's the row and this is the column, and 4 that 0 comma that's 3 comma 1 1, right? So the first row third I have pressed, and now that's 1 1 means first row and first column, that means this one. Yeah, behavioral access path unlocked. Okay, next go to the authentication of behavioral matrix biometrics. So I'm now I have to now type the that sentence: silent guards watch unknown threats. If possible, in implementing stage, if you can change the sentences every time you go sentence every time you're going to log in, by shuffling the words, for only giving some. Oh yeah, I'm going to, oh, I just gave wrong type exact sentence. Okay, you're not going to give any single letter of the sentence, that's not gonna take it. Okay, let's give it again. Okay, so here you go. Silent watch unknown threats. So if I just miss a full stop, and that's gonna say it again. See, so type the exact sentence. Okay, and submit. Oh, what's happening? Wait. Let me check. Oh, too many clicks. Instruction directed. So what happened was, let me show you. Here, if you just observe here, anomaly detected in behavioral pattern, exception indicator callback. Actually, the authentication matrix was popped up for OTP fallback, and we just clicked so many times that's the execution just ended. Here, if we observe, the typed characters was the sentence here, and timing deviations. If you observe, the every single letter of the sentence was recorded as per the input was given. It will validate according to that, and we have mouse movements also. When I gave the first time was, it was 13,000 for every 4 inputs. It took 13,000. Here 1048 for exact login we need 436 maybe. That's the points that points measure for this Sentinel Shield, where it will track your mouse movements and typing speed, typing patterns. And this is the firewall what I'm going to give you for the future, where you are going to deal with AI and data and networks, cloud. The future is more danger when you are going to talk about security, man. This is going to be a fun and uh, maze type of authentication. So now I'm going to tell you one thing. Hackers are not the threat in the future. It's AI. It's you. If you forgot your password, that's issue of yours. If you forgot your old password, that's yours. But now I have given you one thing. Actually, I have to add another system where if forgot the tails, I have to go back to the OTP fallback and enter old OTP and you just go to security system and give it that I have forgot the decoy uh, process, and then you have to come back and here do that. So I'm going to add that feature also to this firewall, that it will make the implementing stage will be automatically ready for the users. Thank you.